Well, and if you're ready to serve up a great side, here's a recipe from our partners at Better Homes and Gardens to whip up some delicious candied yams in less than an hour.
Start by melting a 1/4 cup of butter or margarine in a 4-quart Dutch oven over medium heat. Then add in 1 cup of orange juice and stir together. Next, mix sugar, brown sugar, raisins, water, orange slices, lemon slices, cinnamon, and nutmeg together. Now make sure you have scrubbed yams or sweet potatoes and chopped off woody portions and ends. Cut them into 2-inch pieces and add to the mixture. Bring to boiling over high heat. Reduce heat to low. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes covered. Then simmer for 15 minutes uncovered until yams are glazed.
Well, the prep time for this recipe, which serves 6, is just 25 minutes, and it takes about half an hour in total to cook. So your yams will be ready to go in no time.